Welcome to another session with Learn Maths with Worry Boy. Now, without wasting time, let's begin. Now, if you look at the question we have on the board, you notice that both the log don't have the same base. Now, the first one is log 2 to base 4, while the other is log 5 to base 25. Since both of them don't have the same base, I can't bring them together. Then I have to consider both of them as a single log completely. Now, first of all, I have to take this. Now, recall the fifth law of log says the base raised to a power is equal to the number. That's what I'm going to use. When the base is raised to a power, the log goes out completely. So now I introduce a variable here, and the variable is what? X. Now this base is going to take this as its power, eradicating the what? The log. The next, this becomes 4 raised to the power x is equal to what? 2. Now, next, this is an initial equation. Then I have to raise both of them to the same base. 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2. Then I have 2 here. Now, since both of the bases are the same, then I have to strike out. Remember, every whole number has a power of what? 1. So the power of this is 1, which is this. The power of this is 2x. And at this point, I have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And when I divide both sides by 2, my answer is what? 1 over 2. Same thing I'm going to apply here. The base raised to a power is equal to the what? The number. The base raised to a power is equal to the number, removing the what? The log. Now, 25 and 5 can be written to the same base because 25 is 5 raised to the power what? 2. Now, both of them are the same. What am I going to do? Strike out your base. Then this has a power of 1. This has a power of 2y. At this point, I have to divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 2. Now, divide both sides by 2, my answer becomes 1 over 2. Then finally, recall, this is what we have. The answer will go for log 2 base 4. It's 1 over 2. But the answer we got for log 5 base 25 is also what? 1 over 2. The question said we should subtract them. So the answer I got here, which is my x, is 1 over 2. The answer I got here, which is my y, is also 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 is equal to what? 0. So finally, the answer for log 2 to base 4 minus log 5 to base 25, it's equal to 0. That is it. Easy. Thank you.